Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I made my vegetable sauce or ugu leaf sauce. So guys, if it's your first time here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and hit the like button. Thank you so much. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. You guys are amazing. So for this recipe, I'm using just fish and kpomo. I'm not using meat. There's no beef or goat meat or chicken. It's just fish and kpomo, tomatoes, pepper, onions. You can slice your onions if you like. I don't like sliced onions, so I blend mine. Then seasoning. So also we're using palm oil for this sauce. It gives it one sweet taste. So firstly I'll be frying my fish. So in this recipe I'm also using smoked mackerel. So next I'm slicing my pepper and tomatoes. Yeah, my fish is fried. You can grill your fish, you can fry them. Tomatoes sliced. Now I poured 2 cooking spoons of palm oil into a hot pot. I just bleached it for less than a minute. I didn't bleach for long. Then now I'm frying my onions. Next I'm adding the sliced peppers and tomatoes. I'm gonna cook this for a few minutes. Now I'm adding my kpomo. I added the kpomo immediately. I added the tomatoes and pepper so that it could cook fast. So I put it early to cook. So now I'm adding the fish. After I let it cook for about 4 minutes, I added the smoked fish. Adding my seasoning now. Now I'm adding the vegetables. So if you don't have ugu leaves where you are, you can use spinach. It works fine. It's a very quick recipe, very quick and easy recipe for my Fit Farm people. This is for you. Very healthy and very delicious. You can use yam, rice, plantain. You can also use boiled potatoes. You can just use whatever side you want with the sauce. It works fine. So I'm going to cook this for about 3 minutes before adding the fish. So now I'm adding my fried fish. Then I'm gonna cover the pot and let it steam up for about 2 minutes and our sauce will be ready. It's a very easy and delicious sauce. Very easy, not too much ingredients. You just need fish and kpomo and you're good to go. Like I make this when I'm tired of every other meal and I don't want the regular vegetable soup or vegetable stew as people call it. So I just make this and voila. Our sauce is ready to eat. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, any recipe you want to see or you would like to try, please just leave it in the comment section and I would jump into it. Thank you so much guys for the support. Thank you guys.